A backhoe. There's a backhoe. Yeah.
Oh,
There's a. Okay, Grandpa, your turn. Get over here.
I know that.
Typical
Your
Christmas.
food's fine.
Grandma and Grandpa arguing.
Can you turn Thomas on? How do you turn him on?
Jesus, he drops it.
Chris, you gonna help?
You gonna help Grandpa? Here, you sit here.
No.
Yes.
I'll sit up here.
Okay, well, you sit up there.
Yeah,
Here,
get a present.
here, bring these to Grandpa. Those are, you help Grandpa open those, okay? That's, help Grandpa. Sit with Grandpa.
Okay. You wanna open it? It's got full heart. Sure. Look at. Look at. That's a nice shirt. Huh? Look at. You want to wear it? Oh, you got. Joke.
Can you hand the other ones to Grandpa?
You give me another present?
The ones up on the... Oh,
Behind
jeez.
you?
Maybe we should take the frame away. As he breaks it.
Oh, thank you.
That's from...
Here. You gotta open this up.
That's from Sparky.
Hold on.
She wants you to know that she just figured out what your Christmas present is, so this one's not the real Christmas present.
Good. I got crumbs. Hold on.
Enough reading the card. Get on with the presents.
Oh, yeah. This is big. Here. What do you think? Yeah. Here, grab this. Grab that. Yeah.
What does it say?
You see that?
No. Turn it around. What does it say?
Jeez. Figured since I have nothing to worry about, I'd stop and do some browsing.
Is that her?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's funny.
Oh my God.
Show that. She has,
She even painted her nose brown.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh. It gets you every year.
I know. You getting that?
Meaning that doesn't have to worry about getting shot.
Uh-oh.
Oh, they did this. This is right outside their apartment. Yeah.
Oh,
Right,
yeah.
the fence is right outside their apartment.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.